Okay, let me give you a little behind the scenes sneak peek into our brand new content calendar. So when you log into your OneDrop subscription, you're gonna come over here under category and you're gonna select content calendars. And then you're gonna come up here and you're gonna sort by new. So up here, you're gonna see our most recent content calendar we just launched. And for next month, we're really looking into essential oils for kids and babies. And so we're looking at how these tools can be one of the most potent and pure tools to utilize to support your kids and your babies, both emotional and physical needs. And so we have a description of what the content calendar entails right here. And we always give you a little bit of a peek of what it looks like inside the content calendar. So our content calendars really do give you the copy that's already done for you. So you can copy that text, and then your OneDrop subscription is actually what allows you to download any of these graphics that best fits your aesthetic, best fits what you desire to post on your social media or to share with your community. So I'm gonna dive deeper into this with you. When you purchase a content calendar, you can go into jump to this calendar, or you can come up here and you can go down to my content calendars. So one of the really cool things about our content calendars with OneDrop is as you purchase these, they stay stored in your library. So you can always come back here and refer back to any of the content calendars that you've purchased already with your active OneDrop subscription. So in here, we're gonna come down here, we're gonna select the day of the week that the month starts on. So next month starts on a Wednesday. So we're gonna go ahead and save that. And then when you're on a desktop, you actually have a couple different views. So you can look at it on calendar view, or you can come up here and you can switch it to stacked view. So again, you can see the breakdown of all of the different posts that we've pre-written for you. And then our contributors come in and they create graphics that are associated with each of these posts. So just to give you an idea, our theme of the month, this one is obviously oils for littles. So you can see that we have the suggested text here. We also give you a bonus audio suggestion, which is for those of you guys who are building or sharing on Instagram. You're building a brand over there. This allows you to have an audio that would correlate highly with this copy that we've written for you. So you will take the graphic that you desire, you will download it with your OneDrop subscription, you will put your watermark on it, which is just your brand or your name, and then you'll come in here, you'll copy the text, and you can paste the text into your Facebook community, a text campaign, however you communicate with your audience and your community. You'll paste this text in. Now our text is always about 98% there, but we always encourage you to tweak it for whatever your voice is. Maybe you have personal experience with this specific post. So definitely add your own flavor and your own spice to any of these posts that we've created for you. So once you're done with this, you're gonna come in here and you'll check this off. And you'll see that that will gray out the text. That means you've already posted or shared that specific post. So again, we have so many different options in here, lots of things for babies, lots of things for little ones, lots of different blends that you can utilize, tons of really simple graphics that you can share and download. So once you are complete, you can go ahead and either check this box here, it'll automatically put a markup here for you. So you can really jump around if you desire, or if you desire to batch things in a slower pace, you can come in here week by week, just so you know where you left off. So the first 3 posts are always uploaded the night before because we don't find out about the promotions until doTERRA actually officially releases them. So you will see these 3 posts will be filled in, and photos or graphics will be uploaded by our contributors the night before, basically at midnight, the last day of the month. So those will get filled in rapidly. But you can see we have lots of different options for supporting little ones. I do think that we tend to attract a high audience of moms who are looking to feel empowered in their home with their little ones. So these are all really great ways to support not only new babies, but also our little ones. And we have some bonuses in here for mom and dad too. So we hope you guys enjoy this content calendar. As always, reach out if you have any questions or need any support, and we will catch you guys later.